Good morning, Kansas City. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We're here, we're together, and we're all friends, and we all are inclusive. And I'm going to talk about a lot of things today, but I also just want to thank you so very much for inspiring me during the time I've been here, and I will be here all week. I have never in my life been so welcomed, so loved, so accommodated, and just so energized by such positive people that are you, the ADK International membership. So please, let's give yourself all a round of applause and give yourself the opportunity to be inclusive and share, take a moment to share a positive thought for someone you think might need it. Okay, today we're going to be talking about OMG. Now, when we talk about OMG, oftentimes we say, oh my goodness, oh my gosh, oh my God, what's next? What's next? Why me? What's next? Because we all have things in our life that don't make sense, like COVID. We all have times when we're given setbacks in our life, we're given things that happen to us that we cannot explain, and we say, how am I ever going to cope with this? How am I ever going to move forward? And I have to tell you, give yourselves all a pat on the back for moving through COVID with such grace and humility and kindness as a membership, because you are here, you are changing the world, you are changing the lives as educators of every person you encounter in the world. Do not judge me by my success, judge me by how many times I fell down and got back up again. And I'm going to revisit that theme. That's Nelson Mandela.